Profit is the ultimate reward for your hard work. It's not just about making money, it's about turning your time, skills, and effort into sustainable financial growth. Whether you're running a side hustle or scaling a company, profit is the proof that your business model works. Here's how to turn your hustle into real, measurable cash. Number 1. Start with value creation. Profit always follows value. The more effectively you solve a customer's problem, the more they're willing to pay. Understand what your target audience truly needs, and tailor your products or services to meet those needs better than the competition. Number 2. Price for profit. Don't undervalue yourself. Set your prices based on value, not just cost. Consider what your product is worth to the customer. A well-priced offer can dramatically increase profit margins without requiring more effort. Number 3. Control your costs. Profit is what's left after expenses, so keep your costs lean. Track every outgoing rupee, cut unnecessary spending, and negotiate better deals with vendors. Efficiency on the cost side boosts your bottom line without increasing your workload. Number 4. Focus on high-margin offerings. Not all products or services are created equal. Some offer far better margins than others. Identify and promote the most profitable items. Eliminate or rework those that eat up resources but bring little return. Number 5. Build recurring revenue. Recurring income, such as subscriptions, retainers, or service plans, offers stability and scales effortlessly. It reduces your reliance on constant sales and keeps cash flowing even when you're not actively working. Number 6. Automate and streamline operations. Automation saves time and money. Use technology to handle routine tasks like billing, emails, and customer onboarding. Streamlined processes mean you get more done with fewer resources, maximizing profit per hour worked. Number 7. Improve customer retention. Repeat customers cost less and spend more. Focus on delivering exceptional service, follow up regularly, and reward loyalty. A 5% increase in retention can boost profits by up to 95%. Number 8. Track the right metrics. Know your numbers. Monitor key performance indicators like profit margin, cost per sale, and customer lifetime value. Data helps you see what's working, what's wasting money, and where you can improve. Number 9. Market for conversions, not just reach. It's not enough to be seen, you need to convert attention into sales. Ensure your marketing has a clear message, a strong offer, and a direct path to purchase. Focus on quality leads, not just vanity metrics like likes and shares. Number 10. Pay yourself first. You are your most important employee. Build a system where your profit includes paying yourself consistently. This ensures financial discipline and rewards you for your effort. Profit is the result of intentional action, not luck. By creating real value, pricing wisely, managing costs, and optimizing operations, your hard work can generate reliable, sustainable income. Turn effort into equity, and hustle into financial freedom.